Hello everyone, so how to install Euro 2020 official app on iPhone. So here is the app, here is how it's called. You can find it in App Store app and then just tap get here. And then it will start downloading. You need to confirm with the Touch ID or password, depending on your device. So it's 130 megabytes, so you need to have that free storage available. And yeah, so you can check out match schedule, get live minute by minute updates, stay up to date with goal notifications, and you can be the first to know about available match tickets, all of that. Of course, yeah, you can't watch the football via this app, so it's more like for scheduling and organizing. So yeah, if you just open it up, then you can just follow the teams which you want. So and then yeah, it's the teams who are participating in final tournament and the teams who are qualifying. You can also skip that, pick your favorite, and then just tap continue. You can install immediate updates. And then you can just plan to go to city, and then there you have it. So, and this is how the app looks like. You can create an account. You can see all the schedule. So it's quite handy. And you can see the matches, all the groups, some fantasy, pick your spot spent, and score points. Yeah. So yeah, some interesting gamification here, and yeah, all that. And then you can visit also tickets portal. You can read FAQs and all of that. So that's the app. That's just a quick overview how to install it on iPhone. Hope it was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 50,000 subscribers.